Hola, y'all, and welcome to part two of a three-part series on El Tiempo, or the weather. This video, part two, is practicing the vocabulary you learned in video number one. There are 12 basic phrases that are related to vocabulary or to weather vocabulary. So let's just do a quick review with the verbs and those basic phrases, and then we will get to practicing them. All right, repasamos. Let's review. So these are the things that we covered in video one. Again, go watch that if you haven't yet, just to get more practice with it and to solidify it. It always helps to write down things for me anyway. So here are the three main verbs used with telling time, not telling time, telling the weather expressions and saying weather. Just an FYI, tiempo means weather and tiempo means time in Spanish. So sometimes I'll say the wrong word just because I see the other word in my head. So anyway, the three main verbs are hace, está, and I. You can see there some are for the how you feel, what you see, and for phenomena. All right, here are the first six phrases that we learned. Hace sol, hace calor, hace frío, está fresco, hace viento, está nublado. Then we have llueve, está lloviendo, two ways of saying it's raining. Nieva or está nevando for it's snowing. Then hay niebla, hay tormenta, hace buen tiempo, and hace mal tiempo. All right, so practiquemos. Let's practice these 12 phrases. So again, the way you would ask someone what the weather is like is ¿Qué tiempo hace? How is the weather? So we're going to start out easy. I am going to give you the Spanish word, and then I'm going to ask you how to say that word in English, or how to say that phrase in English. So, ¿cómo se dice hace sol in inglés? How do you say hace sol in English? Yes, it's sunny. All right. ¿Cómo se dice hace calor in inglés? Hace calor. Yes, it's hot. All right, let's see if you can get 3 for 3. ¿Cómo se dice hace frío in inglés? In English, how do you say hace frío? Yes, it's cold. Whew. All right. So now we have está fresco. Está fresco. ¿Cómo se dice in inglés? Yes, it's cool. It's chilly. Might need a sweatshirt, right? Hace viento. ¿Cómo se dice hace viento in inglés? Yes, it's windy. Very good, very good. All right, está nublado. ¿Cómo se dice está nublado in inglés? Yes, it's cloudy. See all those clouds in the sky? All right, what about llueve o está lloviendo? Two ways of saying the same thing. Llueve o está lloviendo? Yes, it is raining. It's raining cats and dogs. All right, ¿cómo se dice hay niebla in inglés? Hay niebla. Yes, it's foggy. I hate those foggy mornings. Not good. Can't hardly see, right? ¿Cómo se dice nieva or está nevando? Nieva o está nevando? Yes, it is snowing. All right. Hay tormenta. ¿Cómo se dice hay tormenta in inglés? Oh, there's a storm. It's stormy. All right, two more. Dos más. These are the general weather conditions. So if I say it's hace buen tiempo, what am I saying? Hace buen tiempo. Yeah, it's good weather. It's nice weather, right? It's good. I'm enjoying it. And last one, hace mal tiempo. No bueno, mal. It's bad weather. It is not looking good outside. All right, very, very good. Now, let's do it reverso, right? So now I am going to give you the words in English, and you need to try to remember how to say them in Spanish. Let's see how you can do. All right, ¿cómo se dice it's sunny? How do you say it's sunny? Yes, hace sol. Como se dice? It's hot. It's hot. Whew. We're not saying that right now. Hace calor. Como se dice? It's cold. Hace frío. Hace frío. Yes. All right. What about if it's cool or it's chilly? It's not cold. So how do we say, oh, it's a little bit chilly? Yes. Está fresco. Está fresco. All right. Como se dice? It's windy. It's windy. See that tree blowing down over there? Hace viento. Hace viento. You can feel the wind. All right. What about it's cloudy? Como se dice? It's cloudy. Yes. Está nublado. Está nublado. Como se dice? It's raining. Two ways. See if you can remember. Two ways. It's raining. Giving you some think time. Two's harder than one. All right. Did you get both or just one? Llueve and está lloviendo. Both mean it's raining. Interchangeable. All right. Como se dice? It's foggy. It's foggy. Don't like this in the mornings. Can't see the roads. Hay niebla. Hay niebla. All right. You're most of the way there. It's snowing. It is literally snowing outside my window right now. It's snowing. Como se dice? It's snowing. Yes, nieva o está nevando. Both mean it's snowing. I wish it would quit, to be truthful. All right, it's stormy. At least it's not storming. This is good. Ay, tormenta. Very good, very good. All right, two more. These are the general, generic phrases. What does it mean to say it's good weather? How do you say it's good weather in Spanish? It's good weather. It's nice weather. Yes, hace buen tiempo. Hace buen tiempo. And when it's not good, it's bad, right? So how do you say it's bad weather? Not so nice outside. Yes. Hace mal tiempo. Buen trabajo. Good job. All right. So I will just tell you to watch part 3 for some more practice with all of those other related verbs, such as snow, clouds, lightning, thunder, climate, the seasons, some other words that go with vocabulary. There is a part 3 to practice those words. Catch you on the next one. Adios.